Hello everyone. Today I am going to about enumeration in Swift. Today I am going to about enumeration in Swift. What is enumeration? An enumeration define a common type for a group. An enumeration define a common type for a group of related value and of related values and enable you to work with those values in type cells with you code save your code. An enumeration define a common type of a group of related values. And other definition of enumeration in Swift: limited set of possibilities and related value and related values of the set is called enumeration data type. So first of all, suppose for example in enumeration data type, for example of enumeration data type, comment matching enumeration value with a switch statement. Matching enumeration value with a switch statement. For example, first of all, then we are going to create a enum data type enum name and declare a name in direction. To create a direction enum, to check our faces direction, east, west, north, south. For then we are going to create a enum direction enum. So then we are going to create a cases. First case is east, and second case west, and third case north, and fourth case south. So our enum declaration is complete. Is a enum declaration. And then we are going to create a enum initialization. Initialization. Enum initialization. So first of all, then we are going to create a face initialization. Name is let face equal to direction dot east. Our choice is direction east, west, north, south, east. So then we are going to create a switch statement, match of cases east, west, north, south. Create switch statement, match switch statement, and uses. So switch value is face, default value is face. So its cases is remove, default cases assign, exhaustive, default add cases, all cases add, east, west, north, south. So east case print, our uses print east case, east cases. So copy and paste, change the value of east case, west case, north case, and south case. So first of all, then is complete a enumeration data enum and with switch statement, matching enumeration value with the switch statement. What is enum? An enumeration defines a common type for a group of related values and limited set of possibilities, and related value set of element is called enumeration. So we can run. So we can run continue the east case and change the default value of north. So match case match is a east, west, north. North is match. So we can run it north cases. North case default values. So is a match of statement.